Just to give you all a little more information on your process of filing for a K1 visa. Say, for instance, you've already sent your information in, it got approved, and you receive your I-797 letter in the mail stating that everything went to NCV. It usually takes about a month to 2 months to get a response from NCV about your file. But apparently, there's some kind of limitation, time limit on from your approval date to when your uh, fiance needs to have everything done. I think it's like 4 months or something like that. So you want to speed up that process as quickly as possible. So after 2 weeks of receiving that letter, if you haven't heard anything by email or mail, you want to come to this page here, and I'll put a link in the description below so you could just click on it and go there yourself. But you go to travel.state.gov and you find the public inquiry form, and you could file it online. And this is what you want to do. Obviously, put your case number here from your W from your I-129F, your fiance's full name here. That's first, middle, and last name there, and you want to put a date of birth. Of course, your name, you the petitioner, your email address, and a little statement here stating that you received the I-797 form approval letter and you haven't heard anything from NVC to continue the K1 visa process. Thanks for your help in addressing this issue so we can continue the application process. You could write something else. This is something I just put in here as an example. Um, there are lots of videos on YouTube showing examples of it, but it's basically this gist right here. You hit another robot and you hit submit, and then you'll get a screen that says your submission was accepted, the date and time it was done. Now, I did this 2 weeks ago and I messed up because we're custom typing in date, month, year, using, like, say that's July there, using something like that. This is incorrect. As you can see here, I got an invalid date of birth entry, and the format as date, month, year. And we're so accustomed to writing everything in numbers, but in this case, for some reason or the other, the month has to be written out in letters, in full letters. So you got 01 slash July slash 1999. All right. So you got numbers on either end, and in the month, it has to be typed out. So if it's November, you'll type in November. All right. You must type that out. Otherwise, nothing will happen. The screen will pop back up just like this, and it wouldn't have gone through. And this is what was happening to me about 2 weeks ago. And I thought maybe that's just how it worked, so I ignored it. So it's been a little bit over a month, and I say, you know what, let me do this form again. And that's when I realized that this is spelt out. Because when I went here and I did it using the little tab here, it came up here with November, except the year keep putting 2024. So I had to erase 2024 and type in whatever date, what year needs to go there for my application. So remember, you type out November or July or August, whatever it is, you type out the month in letters. If you find this information helpful, share with others so they don't waste time like I did, or waste money contacting a lawyer to do it for you. And if it is helpful, I have a nonprofit that I just started, and I'm looking to raise money to build a building or buy a building where I can have services like this in there, preferably for free, to you guys, in addressing some of these issues along the way. Uh, That will also be in the comments down below in the description. It is fed-inc.org. All donations are tax deductible. So if you're in that tax bracket, and you just want to get some stuff, want to donate for a tax deduction on your taxes, by all means donate there. It's going to go to a good cause. You all have a good day.